everybody, I'm Pia from Stitches and Scraps, and today I am unboxing the SeeMore lamp by Vivilux. They did give this to me for free to try out and review. I also got to try it out in person at a trade show, and it is super cool. So it's actually a really multifunctional lamp. You can wear it or you can stand it up with a kickstand and you can use it as just a lamp, but it also has magnifying panels for 3 times and 7 times optical zoom. It is USB chargeable and it has different lighting modes. So you can have like natural daylight or you can have just white light and a couple of different modes. I did open this up and charge it already so that I could show it to you. And then I think I've managed to pack it back exactly the way it came. So let's take a look. This is the lamp itself. So without anything else, and this is obviously the charging cord. One of the cool things is this is the same USB as the other Vivilux lamp I have, so I can charge them on the same charger. I didn't actually have to open this to charge the lamp. But this is the lamp, and it's got a kickstand, supposedly. There it is. I see the kickstand. So there's is that a kickstand? Yes. There's the kickstand. So you can hold it up like that. This is the actual lamp part. So I think it is, let's see, let's turn it on. Oh, there's the actual light. So I can put the kickstand up and I can rotate this light wherever I want it. Okay, so that's cool. I can just use it as a light focused in front of me. Let's check out some of the different modes here. Let's see, it looks like there's 5 settings per mode, it said. But I'm not sure what these settings do. I'll have to read the manual. I think, oh, it's their brightness. It's 5 brightness settings. So it toggles through the brightness settings. There's off, and there's the brightest again. Okay. Oh, no, there we go. It goes down and then back up. Okay. So that changes the brightness setting. Let's get it back to the brightest one. There we go. And then this probably changes the color. Ooh, yeah, there's a bright white. And there's more of a bluish white, and then there's the original more yellowish white that we had. So it's got the 3 different color settings. I think I like this one the best. And then the 5 brightness settings within each color. So aside from the light, it also has a lanyard, so you can wear this around your neck. I'm assuming the lanyard, it clips onto here. So you can position it however you want and wear it around your neck. And then it also has the thing that I love, which is these 2 separate magnifiers. So this is the 3 times one. They are labeled. And if I'm not mistaken, does it slide into there? I think yes, it slides into there. So you can slide it in this way, or you can slide it in this way, depending on whether you want it wide or long. And let's look at the magnification. Here's my hand outside, here's my hand inside. Okay, so you get the magnification there. So that is the 3 times magnification. And if I was just working on something in front of me, I would probably just go like that. So let's pretend I'm working on whatever this is, and I would just set it in front of me like that, give myself a little more room, and I would do my work there. So that is one way to use it, and you can tilt this up or down to give yourself more working space as you need it. And then the other way to use it, obviously, is to put it around your neck and look through it that way. So that's the 3 times magnification. Let us put this away. And let's look. I love these bags. They're really nice. So let's look at the 7 times magnification. And it fits very securely in here, so it's not going to just fall out. So this is 7 times magnification, and there's my hand there. So that is the SeeMore lamp, and I'm very excited to try it out, and I hope you guys like it as well. Definitely go check it out on their website, and I will stick a affiliate link in the description so that you can go grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching.